I have a Singaporean mother-in-law and she's a great cook. そこで今回は、僕の義理の母親がどんな感じで食材を調達してどうやって料理をしているのか、全部お見せしていきたいと思います。現地の市場ですね。スーパーより比較的安く、多彩な食材が売られています。現地ではウェットマーケットというふうに言います。What are you buying, Mom?
Buying some peanuts.
Wow, peanuts.
Yes, peanuts.
These are fresh, raw peanuts.
Fresh raw peanuts.
Wow. And the price is 60 cents for 100 grams.
Yes. I'm buying all the necessary veggies you have to cook a dish. A dialect called Hakka in Singapore.
Oh, Hakka dish.
Hakka, that's a very famous signature Hakka. But it's very simple to cook. Yeah,
Great.
All veggies.
All veggies. Tofu.
Tofu, yes, tofu.
Wow, fresh tofu.
Yes, fresh tofu.
Wow, look at all these fish. だいたいシンガポールではなくて、インドネシアとか、周辺の国から輸入されてますね、シンガポールの魚たちは。Oh, this is the French beans, huh?
Yes, the French beans.
How do you choose your veggies?
It must be hard, you know.
It must be hard.
Hard, like solid. You feel it's solid.
Okay.
And then I usually prefer to buy those thin and long.
Thin and long.
Long kind. Thin and long.
Okay, I'll hold these one.
No,
I hold.
no,
I hold.
Right.
Is this gailan?
Gailan, yes.
Gailan. Oh, I love gailan.
Very looks very fresh, you see? Very greenish in color.
Yeah.
If yellowish, that means not fresh.
Oh, you want the green one, huh?
Yeah, very fresh. Yes. Look. What's the next? I think I'll cook.
野菜もほとんど輸入ですが、多いのはマレーシア産、タイ産、中国産とかですね。比較的安いです。
Oh, one for $1, no?
Oh, this is the promotion section.
Yeah, the promotion.
One for $1.
Yeah, so
80円ですね、一つ。これで。That's a good deal. Oh, so fast.
yes,
Whoa, you only took 5 minutes.
yes.
Wow.
Very fast. So,
Wow, okay, so we can go home now.
I will clean all the veggie and I'll soak it into the pot, you know. Soak for the chemicals or whatever.
Ah.
Yeah, usually I'll just cut away the head. You know, there's a lot of soil. Then maybe I'll just throw it into a bowl. Check. You see? So dirty. You look.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, yo.
yo.
Scary. All this
Scary, yeah.
I don't want to use. I'm so scared. Yo.
Hey, yo.
Scared. Maybe I'll cut it away. The stock I don't want. Looks so weird. The dirty one all I don't like. Yeah. Wow, it's so clean. Wow, this one's successful. Good that you can cook. Good. One kind of veggie. Soak it there. Okay, the next one, kailan.
Thailand.
Yes.
Oh, I love gailan. So you will soak this too?
Yeah, I will check. Inspection first, you know. Yeah, you need inspection. See whether got any leaf that got worm. I will just throw. Not nice. I throw it away. Okay, all these are good. Okay, good.
It's like a factory, you know?
Yeah.
Mom factory.
Soak in water now. Soaking time. The end. Can you see the end?
So my mom is very picky. of
Yes.
what we're eating. Do you think the hawker stalls and the restaurants
No,
do the
no.
same? No.
They don't bother. Yeah.
That's why you prefer to cook your own food, right?
Yes, correct. More clean. Next will be this called leek, you know?
Leek, yes.
Leek.
I love
Usually
leek.
the end, or I will cut away the end.
Yeah. I would do the same actually.
Yes,
The
you
leek.
see, must open up every leaf. And then you wash away the soil first, you know? Then after that you soak, you know? Oh, soak together here. Look at this, tofu.
Wow. And how much was this? Or
It's very cheap.
Very
It's
cheap,
only
$1.
$1.
$1. Okay.
One for
Wow.
50 cents, you know.
Fresh tofu.
Fresh. It's so soft, you know. You see? So soft. Soak another time.
Another time.
I always soak 3 times.
Really careful, huh?
I'm very particular. Fry the peanut, you know.
油を使わない揚げる機械です食べ物ちょっと健康志向でシンガポールの家庭ではよくありますね So right now is it soft or
It's hot. It's
Oh
not
wow
It's raw. It's raw.
It's raw
Okay. Okay. I don't know how many minutes. I just roughly. I think this is a nice color.
Nice color 很香
Yes. See? Oh.
わー約15分でこれで下準備が完了ですあ、下準備まだでしたね洗ったのが終わってここから、細かく切っていくみたいです So how did you learn cooking? Did your mom teach you during the kampong times?
Never.
Never. You learned it yourself.
Never. She afraid me, you know, to go near to the fire or into small piece. Cut like that. See?
これでようやく下準備が完了ですね Beautiful
Okay, the next one will be the small fish.
Ikan biri
Yeah, we call it ikan bilis in Malay, you know. So you see, small fish, small one.
Are you gonna fry it?
I got air fry.
Air fry
Yes.
Oh, you're also watching this
Need to wash minimum 3 times, maximum 4 times. So I put the air fryer.
Oh, you need to take out the skin
Yeah. Must take out the skin.
で、ここからようやく調理を始めます
This dried prawn is
これが多分味の決め手のエビですね So you grind it yourself?
yes, it's actually
Wow.
this kind of prawn. Prawn, you know.
Oh yeah, last time you were taking out the part
the I take the out.
Mom,
Yeah.
what are you doing?
Oh, I'm taking out the no from these dried prawns. It's very sandy. You need to take it out. I think I cook the dish first. I don't add too much.
こうやって香りを引き出す感じですね
You stir until it turns brown. Pinch of salt.
Then goes the veggies. Whoa! Wow!
I'm trying to show some little of my kung fu. You see, kung fu become like that.
Kung fu.
Aiyo.
You tried to show up, huh?
So embarrassing eh.
Failed.
This kind of kung fu. Aiyo.
So
Okay, done.
this is done already.
Yeah,
Wow.
one dish done.
So simple, huh?
Yes. One
Simple but
dish
good.
done.
Same, huh? You put the
Next dish,
the
yeah.
prawn
Yeah.
and some oil and some
Yeah.
salt.
Yes. Same.
French bean.
French bean.
なんかすごく独特な匂いがしますなんだろうなエビの匂いなんだけどちょっと発酵させた感じちょっと臭い感じかもしれない
Now you try.
fry, huh? Thank
See whether it's soft enough.
French
soft
bean
enough.
cooked with dried prawn and salt.
Huh? Is it soft enough? Okay.
Perfect.
Oh, it will be softer.
Oh, it's nice.
Can ah?
Wow, how true.
This is the leg, huh?
Leek. Wow, your kung fu.
This one is my real kung fu. Just now that one is fake one, okay?
This is your real skills, huh?
This one is real one. You see? You see?
Nice one.
Wow.
Wow, 很好。
这个才是我真正的功夫。
好。
Steam rice, okay?
So this is all the ingredients. All the veggies have a different texture and a different taste. And we don't really have something like this in Japan. It's called the thunder tea rice without the tea. Mom,
yes.
Is there a reason you don't put tea?
Because I don't usually like to drink green tea.
That's right. But it's still delicious.
Eat the veggie will do. Eat many veggies.
Everything cooked with the dried prawns, salt, and oil. Very simple, but very good.
And then this the
ikan biri for the extra crunch.
Yeah, extra crunchy. You can add some chili padi if
I
you
need
want.
this.
Yes, it's very spicy.
これ日本にあまり売ってないんですけど、めちゃくちゃ辛いチリです。これ大好き。
Yeah.
I love chili padi.
It's done.
Yes, beautiful, mom. Okay, so this is my mom's signature dish, thunder tea rice without the tea. これハッカ料理の有名なハッカ料理なんですが、そもそもハッカって何かというと、中国の民族のことですね。ハッカ人って言います。ハッカ人の3分の1ぐらいが今海外に散ってるって言われてて、多いのは台湾とシンガポール。歴史的にはすごく移動を繰り返したんです。で、彼らが特に好んでたのが山間部です。で、山間部なので、海の幸ってのはあんまり取れなくて、どちらかというとこういう野菜が多かったんですね。で、乾物もよく使われてました。あと漬物とか、保存の効くやつですね。I think I'll start with the kai lang. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. And the taste is so unique. It's from the umami from the dried prawns. Try the French beans. This one is crunchy as well, but it's different. Oh, too, mom.
It's a lot, but all veggie lah.
Easy to finish. Wow. And this is the other green veggie. で、味付けが一緒なんですよ。味付けが一緒なのに全然違うんですよね。やっぱりそれぞれ食材特有の味があるんですよ。味とか香りとか。だから同じ調理法なのに全然違う。で、こうやって混ぜて食べるとall the different texture, taste, and the spice from the chili padi, the nice aromatic peanut, 極限までカリカリの小魚、イカンビリ。This is a masterpiece. そんなに多くはないんですが、ホーカーズ屋台街でも売ってたりするので、見つけた方はぜひ。Washing the floor.
Yeah, wash the floor after cooking.
It gets oily, huh?
Yes, so I need to wash.
お肉ないんだって思った方もいると思うんですが、意外とこっちって宗教上お肉食べれない人が多かったりするんですね。僕の義理の母親も牛肉を食べません。その昔牛って人間のためにいろいろ頑張ってくれたから、それを食べるのはご法度みたいな感じで、なのでこういうベジタリアン食って意外と多いんです。Thank you so much for the great dish.
No, thank you.
It's so amazing, I just want to show my gratitude.
It's mom's blessings, to cook from all my children. Yeah, so no need thanks. Yeah.
No, thank you. Every day,
As long as you all every day eat healthy, mom feel happy.
Thank you. Oh,
right.
Thank you so much.
Home cook is always the best, home cooked food.
Yeah, I just appreciate all the effort you put. I think you took 1 hour to prepare the veggies. Then to cook, it was maybe 30 minutes. So it's not easy.
Where's the kitchen?
So is it true most families in Singapore they don't cook, right? They buy
Yeah, most
from home,
families in
right?
Singapore they don't cook.
And it's because a lot of the families, the wife and husband both work, so there's like not much time to cook, right?
Not saying not much time lah. It's
Mm.
whether
Convenient.
they want to cook or not.
Mm-hmm.
If it's like for me, I always feel giving my families to have home cooked food, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Regardless of how tired I work, previously when I work, early in the morning, 4 a.m.
Yeah.
I wake up, bathe, I take maybe half an hour to blow my hair
Okay.
dry. Start at 5, I'll start to cook. At 6 a.m. early in the morning, then I rush to work.
That's amazing.
Yeah. So after work, right, I'll go supermarket and collect all my veggies
Wow,
for the
so
next
busy.
day. Yeah, every day I like that.
Gosh.
So when I come back from work, after my supermarket done, so I think it's about 9 something to 10 hours, and I'll start preparing my veggie in the kitchen. So and I'll be free only by the time I think already reach 11 p.m. Then I'll start going bathe. After bathe, I relax a while, I play my game, then I sleep.
Play your game, huh?
Yeah, every day I like that.
Maybe if my viewers like this video, we can do like a sequel.
Yeah.
Next time, maybe what would you want to cook next? What would you want to show to my
Okay.
Singaporean and Japanese audience?
Curry chicken.
Curry chicken, okay.
Yes.
It's not like it's not Nyonya style, right? It's like a mom style.
Yeah, it's my own style.
Yeah. It's not like Nyonya or like Indian or Japanese. It's her style.
Yeah.
Very good, very
my
spicy.
own style, my own recipe.
Yeah. I love that. Okay, the next curry, Mama curry.
Yeah, see you again.
See you again. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Thanks, Mom.
Singaporean 照料。
日本
日本人照料。
日本人照料。